Hello friends. We all know that road safety is a major concern for our country. Mahindra is fully committed to play its role to solve the road safety problem. Mahindra has always been known as a maker of tough UVs that help you feel safe and secure. Offering the safest UVs is not just about meeting regulations. It's our responsibility towards our society. A responsibility that we take very seriously. Since 2010, all new launches at Mahindra have come with an optional safety pack, even on the base model. For the new Thar, we have ensured features like roll case to provide protection in case of a rollover, so that our customers can go take on an adventure. For XUV300, we have ensured first in segment 7 airbags and all 4 disc brakes to keep you safe on and off the roads. And if you're in a Mahindra Marazzo, you can count on it to bring you to your destination protected with its tough body-on-frame architecture and disc brakes again on all 4 wheels.
We believe that one of our key strengths is having a robust in-house engineering capability, which we have developed over time through thousands of hours of simulations and hundreds of crash tests. We pride ourselves in following a holistic approach to safety with adult, child and pedestrian safety at the forefront of our product development, right from the concept stage, focusing on vehicle architecture, crash energy management and safety technologies. Our passionate engineers at Mahindra Research Valley have worked relentlessly to deliver products with unmatched safety. The products like XUV300, Marazzo and Thar have set industry benchmarks for safety.
We believe in preventing accidents even before they occur. And this is where our research in the field of active safety technology takes the central stage. Some of you will remember Mahindra's safety zone at the Delhi Auto Expo in February 2020, where we showcased our capability in the field of driver monitoring systems and advanced driver assistance systems. These systems employ technologies like state-of-the-art cameras, active radar and infrared sensors to keep drivers alert, warn them of unseen obstacles, and to take corrective action automatically in order to avoid collision. We have come a long way, but we don't intend to stop. We at Mahindra are determined to break boundaries, to provide the best safety features to our customers, which go far beyond regulatory requirements, so that you can carve your path and conquer every ground safely and with ease.
We appeal to you to drive safely. We firmly believe that safer vehicles can save lives. Let's continue to explore the impossible safely.